Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Math with Mr. W. And today we're going to be talking about a problem that I think we should be doing piece by piece for several grades. And I'm starting it here in the second grade. So for you second grade teachers, you can start it here. In third grade, we're going to be increasing the difficulty. In fourth grade, again, we'll be increasing the difficulty. And then as we learn more and more about mathematics, we're going to be able to solve this problem as we get further and further along. Now, in second grade, here's what we have to do. First of all, we have to try and understand the question. How many decreasing numbers are there? Wow. How many? I love how many questions. Are those questions about how many? I love those. Those are counting questions. So let's count. Well, let's see. The first one is 10. But how many are there? Someone might say, well, there's an infinite amount. But no, we can't be because we only have 10 digits. So our largest one would be 9. And remember the word decreasing. So what does that mean? It means that every digit in the number, okay, going from left to right is decreasing. So this would be my largest of my possible decreasing numbers. 9,876,543,210, because there's no other digits that we use. So I can't get any bigger than this. So we can't say infinite because there isn't. So there's a countable number. There's a finite number of them. So in second grade, we sort of use an idea that we always should do when we have a problem that's too big. We think about a small idea. Start small and then build up through a pattern. So George Polya, the great American mathematician, always said that. Start small, build up through a pattern. So what we're going to do in second grade is we're going to start with the 2-digit numbers. And so here I have 4 2-digit numbers. 2 of them are decreasing numbers. 2 of them are not. 10 is your first decreasing number. 1, 0, because 0 is less than 1. That's your first decreasing number. Now, 98 is your last 2-digit decreasing number, because your next 2-digit number is 99. 99 doesn't work because 9 and 9 are the same, just like 44. 44 is not decreasing because the 4 and the 4 are the same. 23 doesn't work because the number to the right is bigger than the one on the left. Remember, it has to decrease as we go from left to right. So this is our largest decreasing number. This is our smallest. So in second grade, we're only going to think about the numbers between 10 and 98. How many are there? So if our first one was 10, what's our next one? Well, we can't have 11. Certainly 12 won't work. And nothing up till 19 will work. But then we have 20 and 21. And then 22 doesn't work because the digits are the same. Then we move to the next group. It has to be in the 30s. And we end up with 30, 31, and 32. Now, your job is to help your students to figure out what the total number of decreasing numbers are that are just 2-digit numbers. And they probably can do this in a very short period of time. But we have a pattern started, don't we? We had 10, we have 20 and 21, 30, 31, 32. See if they can finish out the pattern and figure out exactly how many decreasing numbers there are that have only 2 digits. Enjoy this problem. This is a great problem, folks, and it tells us a lot about patterning, but it tells us more about number sense. And that's what we want to know. We want to know about number sense. So, folks, enjoy your day. See you next time on Math with Mr. W.